Hey y'all, Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic here, coming to you this evening with a quick ingredient substitution for the kitchen. We are doing breakfast for supper tonight, and I am making nut and grain whole wheat pancakes. Anytime we have breakfast for supper, pancakes are involved. But I had a hankering for these pancakes. I had them years ago at IHOP, love the IHOP, and so I kind of put together this recipe to mimic that. They're super delicious. If you've never had them, you should try them. But it calls for buttermilk. And you guys might already know this. I didn't know it for a long time. So a good way to substitute a sub for, or how to make buttermilk basically is what we're doing. So I'm going to flip the camera and kind of show you what I did. Hang on, hang tight. You see, I got some bacon cooking over there. Yum, yum, yum. So all you need is milk, okay, and vinegar. A lot of times recipes call for buttermilk, and I never buy buttermilk. And when I do, it's only like I need 1 cup of it, and then the rest of it's wasted. So you take, I always have milk and I always have vinegar. So you take 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and you mix that together, and then I don't know if you can actually see, you're waiting, you just let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. You're waiting for that kind of bubbling to start at the top. You'll see it's starting to kind of turn into buttermilk. That's what you want. When you get to that stage, then you've got buttermilk. So super easy. If your recipe calls for buttermilk, that's all you need. 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, buttermilk. So I hope that helps you if you got a hankering for buttermilk pancakes and you don't have buttermilk. So happy crafting and cooking. I'm about to go get my grub on. See y'all later.